Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. If you've ever tried to align nodes with the node aligner up here, if you pick two nodes, you have to click off, vertical and then do horizontal. And then when you want to do vertical, you have to click off horizontal and go to vertical. And it's a little bit of a pain in the butt. So I started thinking, while you're doing it with the shape tool, it's going to be different than doing it with the pick tool. So I'm going to go to Tools, Options, and Customization, and just type in a line. So I've already got one for the right, I put R. I got one for the left, I put L. I don't have one for vertical or horizontal, but I got one for top. But I want to put one for bottom, so I'm going to put B. And B is normally assigned to put things to the bottom. Like if we have two rectangles and you select them, hit B and it puts it to the bottom of one of them. But when you're working with the shape tool, you can take these and go, I want this node to come down to that node, so I'm going to hit B. I want this node to come in perpendicular to that node, so I'm going to hit R. I want this node to come out of there, so I'm going to hit R. I want this node to go to the bottom, so I want B. So now I've got a square rectangle. So it just depends on what, if you want this to go to the bottom, this one's going to come to the bottom of that one. If you want this to come to up to the top, then you'd put it to T. And we're going to go L because I want it to move over to this one. I don't really understand, because if you do it with the pick tool, it's going to go bottom. And if you do all three of these and go bottom, it'll put it to the bottom. But when you're working with the shape tool, it does the same thing, but it doesn't affect the hotkey for this. I really don't understand why it works, but it works. So if you'd ever want to do that, and you do that a lot, like for instance, this is why you would want to align text or align nodes. So let's say you traced this text. You've got to select it. And I also have to convert it to a curve. And you've traced this H, and it's just a little bit off. It's just a little bit funky. Well, T, B, or L. So you can align nodes with hotkeys. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.